Now these discontinuous ends, we need to put them into consideration. Okay, now if you have done your model like this and you proceed to analysis and then finally design, protastructure will design all these discontinuous ends as a fixed end. To design these continuous ends as a what? A fixed end, rather than having it hinged in order to make it have a zero moment. Now I will explain that better. If you hinge this discontinuous end, protastructure will design these ends as zero moment. Now the advantage to that is this: it will reduce the amount of reinforcement that will be required after design. So it's important that we hinge all these discontinuous ends so that protastructure will design them at having zero moment. You can see this part has already been hinged, and it indicates that there's zero moment at this particular place because it is at a discontinuous end. Okay, now we have hinged it, or at times we may call that it is pinned. So since we have pinned it, it allows protastructure to divide to design it having a zero moment rather than a fixed end. Like I said earlier, when it designs at fixed end, more reinforcement will be required. And just imagine that we are now going to generate this to about 9 stories. Okay, now generating 9 stories and leaving it as a fixed end means more reinforcement. And then, like this point, I've already applied my hinge here. You see this this dot, red dots. It shows that this has already been hinged, since this beam is not continuous at this end. But if you look at this one at the middle now, you will discover that this beam stops here, but it continues. Another beam joins to this end of the column, so it is continuous until it gets here. It now becomes discontinuous. So what you need to do here is to you click on this, right click, and then you go to